Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. I know a couple of you have been messaging me asking me where I've been at. I did tell you I'm gonna take a very short break, but we're coming back like really lit. Vanilla is somewhere in the back. You might see her dog carrier there. In today's video, trust me, I'm gonna be so excited. There's a couple stuff that you guys have been asking me to do, which I'm gonna be doing heavy. First of all, I want you guys to go check over on Soai Eats if you wanna see anything that's gonna be like cooking related. What I'm going to be doing with this channel, I'm going to divert all the cooking related stuff over onto Soai Eats. So I'll be doing the challenges, the mukbangs, you guys get the idea. Now in today's video, we're going to be going to a hotel. Some of you might know what the hotel is based off the title, if I title it that way. And yeah, there's someone you guys have been asking for a very long time. I always tell you guys that there is a life outside of YouTube. Sometimes I show certain stuff, sometimes I don't. Anyway, in today's video, you're gonna see that person. If you have an idea of who this person might be, drop the name in the comments. I want to see how many of you actually can, you know, figure it out. And I'll catch you guys whenever we get there. We're heading to Negril. On Google Maps it's about 6 hours, which is gonna be crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna go pick her up first and then we head out. So I'll catch you guys whenever we're on the journey. All right, so we just made a quick stop off right now. Well, come to pick her up. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It was like a whole long phrase. It's 9 o'clock and we're going to start the journey. So maybe we're starting the journey about 9:05. So let's see how long it takes. All right, so I'm going to come pick up my sister real quick. Who them there? Yeah, so that vibe. I'm going to drop my sister home and then we head on the road. Isn't it? Yeah, Jamaica and the body road, them jiggle. Hey. Hey, mama. You gonna leave with the money? Gonna leave with the money? Can't come to the hotel. Say bye to the vlog. Alright guys, so we did just make a stop off. We're basically in the border of Trelawney and St. James. It's now 11:33. Our check-in time is, I think, 3 o'clock. So let's see how long it's gonna take to get to Negril. We did make a stop by Kaya, so yeah. All right, so we are gonna stop and get some Starbucks really quick. We are in Montego Bay on the hip strip right now. Get a little pep up really quick. All right. I just felt like you go try pumpkin spice. Alright. Doing good. I'm getting what you're getting. Okay. Yeah.
That's from Queen J. There you go. Queen J.
Queen J. I don't know, but Starbucks is always hard to get the names right. The mask. got our fraps right now. I particularly love the pumpkin spice one. Every October that one comes out, I believe. I enjoy it. If you do enjoy the pumpkin spice from Starbucks, drop it in the comments, guys. Alright, we're gonna get ready to head out and continue the journey.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, I want you to tell me how you feel. Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking at you, babe. I've been looking at you all day. Looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try, try, try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try, try, try. Oh, when you smile at me like that, hey, I swear there's nothing that could stop me, baby. Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try, try, try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try, try, try.
Alright guys, so we're at our destination. I'm trying to find the front desk, but it's so cool to see that they have, you know, they've gotten with the program, you know, sanitization sensor there and touch sensor. In front of the sensor bibs. Wow, pretty dope. Alright, let's go get checked in. We just got our room keys just now and we're getting someone to get the stuff out of the car, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the room, see what it's like. So far the service has been good, and yeah, they do a couple stuff. Check your temperatures, make sure that it's good, ask you a couple questions, nothing over the top. You get sanitized, get a sanitized pen, yeah, basic stuff like that. All right, so let's go get to the room.
Don't leave until I come up. This is 3 cents. Let's throw it back here and get the apple back.
We're staying at is number 5. Oh, and it's just about the water. Anyway, let's get inside. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video here and sort some stuff out. Alright guys, so we are in the room right now, and just to do I'm gonna do a quick room tour on it. I'll start talking about the pros and cons so far. Yo, this room is awesome. It has a superb